Today, you're going to find out if the ScanSnap iX2500 is actually one of the best scanners you can use in 2026, because if you're dealing with documents, receipts, or paperwork every day, you probably want something fast, reliable, and easy to use, but not every scanner delivers that. So, in this video, you're going to understand what this scanner does well, what it doesn't, and whether it's actually worth it. Let's start with what makes this scanner stand out. The first thing you notice is how simple it is to use. This is not one of those complicated office scanners. It's designed for everyday users, home offices, and small businesses. You open it, load your documents, press one button, and it just works. That simplicity is one of its biggest strengths now. Let's talk about speed, because this is where it really starts to impress the ScanSnap. iX2500 can scan up to around 45 pages per minute, and it can scan both sides of the page at the same time, so if you're scanning a stack of documents, you don't need to flip anything manually. You can load a large batch and let it process everything automatically. That alone can save you a lot of time now. Let's talk about capacity. This scanner comes with an automatic document feeder, which means you can load dozens of pages at once instead of scanning one by one. This makes it perfect for things like contracts, paperwork, invoices, or even receipts now. Here's another important feature: connectivity. The scanner is not limited to just one device. You can connect it through Wi-Fi, USB, and even mobile devices. That means you can scan directly to your computer, your phone, or even cloud services. Instead of scanning and then moving files manually, everything can go exactly where you want it instantly. Now let's talk about the screen. This model includes a touchscreen, which makes everything easier. You can select where to send your scans, choose settings, and manage your files directly from the scanner without needing to go back to your computer every time now. Let's talk about image quality. For documents, this scanner is excellent. Text looks sharp, files are clean, and it can even convert your scans into searchable PDFs, so you can actually find words inside your documents later. But here's something important: this is not a photo scanner. If you're trying to scan high-quality images or detailed photos, this is not what it's designed for. It works best with documents now. Let's talk about real use experience. This scanner is built for productivity. Everything is designed to save time, from automatic detection to auto-cropping to correcting pages. It handles most of the work for you, so you don't need to edit every scan manually now. Let's talk about the downsides, because not everything is perfect. The first thing is price. This is not a cheap scanner. It's more of an investment, especially if you're just a casual user. Second, it doesn't include a flatbed scanner, so you can't scan books or delicate documents easily. Everything is designed for feeding pages through the machine. And third, some of the setup, especially with cloud services, can take a bit of time if you're not used to it, but once everything is configured, it works smoothly. Now, let's answer the main question: is this the best scanner to use in 2026? The answer depends on what you need. If your goal is fast document scanning, high productivity, and a system that saves you time every day, then yes, this is easily one of the best options available. But if you need something for photos or occasional use only, then it might be more than you actually need. So in the end, the ScanSnap iX2500 is not trying to be everything. It's focused on doing one thing extremely well, and that is scanning documents quickly, efficiently, and reliably. And for the right user, that makes it absolutely worth it in 2026.